Saturday morning and we're starting our campaign on what is public health.
Basically, we just want to know, what is public health to you?
Public health to me means looking after people who need some help to provide health services for themselves.
I have an idea what public health is. Well, I have clean drinking water, I guess. I'm trying to think if there's anything else.
Consideration for everybody around you and your own self.
No garbage around and large spaces.
Old age used to mean being a senior citizen by age 40, but public health has changed that. Improvements in water, sanitation, and nutrition have been largely responsible for increasing life expectancy in the U.S. from 47 years in 1900 to 78.2 years in 2007. How has public health changed in the last few years?
I don't know how far back to go, but it is that costs of healthcare are gone like this for a variety of reasons. And with more people out of work, there's going to be more need for Medicaid, a whole lot more need for Medicaid, that there are people who would have been able to pay for themselves and now they won't. So, got the recession and the costs of taking care of yourself.
I had a really huge doctor bill where they didn't even do anything. They just took me to the emergency room and I didn't need it, and they didn't do anything but still got charged like $4,000 or something.
How did you pay that off?
I'm still paying it off.
What's your name, folks?
Davey and Andrea.
And where are you from?
We're from Brazil.
How does the public health scene in Brazil compare to Denver?
Well, Denver is a much cleaner place. Although we live in a city, in a small city, that's pretty good too. It's great big cities in Brazil, not like Denver. Denver is very clean.
What kind of improvements would you like to see in your home country?
Well, first of all, change the government. Because policies around health, public health is everything. It's about policy. It's about adopting policy and environmental conscious.
How do public health initiatives found in Denver, Colorado, such as having an art museum and a public library and a civic center park and the state capitol building in such a centralized location, how has that benefited your life?
I think about solitude, like having time to be with yourself or to study things of the past or what's happening now, but to have that space and nurturing to be able to think about what you think, I think helps a lot. Helps you grow.
According to the Department of Health and Human Services, secondhand smoke causes approximately 3,000 lung cancer deaths annually. But thanks to public health efforts that link secondhand smoke to cancer and advocated for smoke-free zones, steps are being taken to save lives.
We've been talking about public health and risk factors. Risk factors. What are some of your risk factors? You talked about smoking.
Yeah, I smoke a lot. It's that bad.
And you smoke because you get nervous?
Nervous.
Stress?
All that stuff. People see me smoking, they probably don't want to talk to me so much, you know. When I'm having a good time, I want to smoke a cigarette.
What kind of improvements would you see if you quit smoking?
I don't know. I mean, like I said, I got to get people to go to a chiropractor. So, like, you know, if they see me smoking, they don't really want to go to. They judge me off of my smoking.
Play us a song.
You got it.
Public health is important to me because it allows people the opportunity to experience Denver, Colorado the way it's supposed to be. Clean air, clean water, safe environment, and lots of fun, exciting things to improve your health for yourself and your family.
This is public health.
I'm your woman, your wearing is your shoes. You got soul, you know what to do to turn me on until I write a song about you. You got their own style.
Oh my God.
This is public health.
This is public health.
If you like that, you crash and spend the night, but you don't go. You don't fail. You got everything you need, especially since you got it all.
This is public health.
My day, your message, say my name. Your talk is all the talk. Sister, you got it all. Yeah.
This is public health. Joey?
Exploring public health.
Why?
Because it's important for the future. This is public health.
Sophisticated lady, you got it all. You make me call, make my day. Your message, take my hand. Your talk is all the talk, sister. You got it all. Thanks. Are you hungry? Nope, I'm good, thank you.
Take it home. Take it home. Batteries.
Butterfly, baby, you've got it all. Yeah.
Nice.
Looked at me when you sang that.
Oh, this is public health.